Hello guys, welcome to Learn Selenium and Java channel. So in this video, we will cover Java, how to create Java project and Maven project and Gradle project. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. So I just opened my STS. Okay, so in your case, it will be Eclipse, guys. So don't confuse it. Okay, so for whatever the project that we need to create, so we have to go to File menu and click on the new option. Then the list of options will be listed out. Okay, so in this, first we will cover Java project. Okay, so I'm just clicking on the Java project. If you click on the Java project, so this window will be displayed, and here you have to enter the project. So project name, let me give as test. Okay, so these are the default options. So let it be like this. I'm not going to change anything over here, and clicking on next. It is getting created. Okay, so now click on finish. Okay, so once you successfully click on the finish button, right? So in this project explorer window, okay, so you will see the project listed over here. So we created the test project, right? So it is listed under project explorer. Okay, so expand it, then we will see how the architecture will look like. Okay, so this is how the project will be, Java project will be look like. So they will provide one source folder. So under that you can create the packages, classes, whatever you want to do, you can create. You can frame the projects however you want. So I'm not going in depth, guys. I'm stopping there itself. So that's all. This is how you will create the Java project. Now we'll go to the Maven project. So again, file new Maven project. So sometimes, guys, this Maven project will not be listed here. So you have to go to other options. Then you have to type it here, Maven. Then Maven will be coming. So in this, you have to select Maven project and click on next. And it is asking create a simple project like that. Okay, I'm selecting this, and it is taking the default location. Let it be like this. I'm clicking on next. Okay, so in this Maven project, guys, always you have to give group ID and artifact ID. It's nothing but your project name. Okay, so group ID I'm giving, the project name is test automation. The artifact ID also same I will be giving. Okay, so that's it. You don't have to enter any of the fields listed here, and click on finish. So if you look at the bottom, it is creating test automation. So it is in the process of creating Maven project for you guys. Okay, so now our Maven project got created. So it is called as test automation, right? So let me expand this and show it to you guys how the Maven project will look like. Yeah, so here this is the Maven project's architecture. Okay, so in this you will see one pom.xml file. Okay, so these are all the source folders, you know. Okay, so whatever you wanted to create, you can delete this, you can create your one, or you can have it, you can reuse it. Okay, so that will be like this, and you will be seeing one new pom.xml file. If you double click on that pom.xml file, I think my machine got stuck. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so now it is working fine. So the pom.xml file got opened. So in this, you have to go to pom.xml tab. Okay, if you go to here, whatever you given as a group ID and artifact ID, so those information, it will be automatically captured here and stored in the form of XML. Okay. So here in pom.xml, usually you will add the dependencies, whatever you need. So that I will be taking in the next video. So I'm not going in depth, guys. So now we'll go for the Gradle project. File new and other. So it is not listed here. I'm selecting other. I'm typing Gradle. So this one, guys, Gradle project. Select this, click on next, click on next. Here you have to give the Gradle project name, right? Let me give as test Gradle project. So the project name can be anything. You can give anything. Click on next. Don't change any settings here. We can configure our things later. Click on next. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. So now click on finish. Okay, so now our Gradle project got created. So if you look at Maven project is the M letter will be displayed over here, and the Gradle symbol will be displayed over here. Okay, you can see the difference. And let me expand and show you to you guys how the Gradle project will look like. So this is the architecture for the Gradle project. So in Maven project, you saw one form.xml, right? So here you will be seeing build.gradle. Okay, let me open this one and show it to you guys. So this is how the build.gradle file will look like. So here you will be adding the dependencies. Okay, so that's it, guys. So this is how you will create all these projects, all these 3 projects. Thank you for watching.